Hello students, welcome to Shourabh Sir classes. In today's video, we will be starting from question number 1 of a model question paper for SAT examination. So question number 1 from the section 3 of SAT examination, the section in which you can't use the calculator. First question, the painter will paint small n walls with the same size of the shape in a building, size and shape in a building using a specific brand of paint. The painter's fee can be calculated by the expression small n into capital K into small l into small h, where n is the number of walls, K is constant with units of dollars per square feet, L is the length of each wall in feet, and h is the height of each wall in feet. So if the customer asks the painter to use a more expensive brand to paint, which of the factors in the expression would change? As you can see here, K is a constant with units of dollar per square feet. So K is basically the unit per square feet price of the paint. So if the customer asks the painter to use a higher quality brand or more expensive brand, the value of K will increase or K will change. Hence option C, that is K, is the correct answer for question number 1. Now coming to the next question, question number 2. If 3r is equals to 18, what is the value of 6r plus 3? So 3r is equals to 18 means 6r will be double of 18, that is 36, and 6r plus 3 will be 36 plus 3, that is 39. Option D for question number 2. Next, which of the following is equal to a to the power 2/3 for all values of a? A to the power 2/3 for all values of a. Root over of a to the power 1/3. This is root over of a to the power 1/3, which means a to the power 1/3 to the power half, which is equals to a to the power 1/3 into 1/2, that is 1/6. So this doesn't match with a to the power 2/3. Hence option A is wrong. Coming to the next option, a to the power 3, root over of a to the power 3. So root over of a to the power 3 is equals to a cube to the power half. So this is a to the power 3/2. So a to the power 3/2 also doesn't match with our a to the power 2/3, hence option B is also wrong. Coming to the next, a to the power half, cube root of a to the power half. So a to the power half whole to the power 1/3 is the cube root of a to the power half, which is equals to a to the power 1/6 again. Hence option B is also wrong. Last option, option D, that says cube root of a square. Cube root of a square means a square whole to the power 1/3. Now multiplying the powers, it will become a to the power 2/3. So a to the power 2/3 and cube root of a square matches. So option D is correct for question number 3. Last question for this video. The number of states that joined the United States between 1776 and 1849 is twice the number of states that joined between 1850 and 1900. If 30 states joined the United States between 1776 and 1849 and X states joined between 1850 and 1900, which of the following equation is true? So which of the following equation is true? It is mentioned that the number of states joined between 1776 and 1849 is twice the number of states that joined later. So 30 states joined between this gap of 1776 and 1849. This is twice of x. So 30 will be equals to 2x. This is our equation which matches with the option B, 2x equals to 30. Hence option B is correct for question number 4. So in this video we have successfully solved the question number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I think all the questions are very much clear to you now. But if you have any doubt or any queries, you can feel free to call us in this number 9836 793076, or you can send us email also at sourabhsarclasses@gmail.com. Thank you.